Ano last message mo?
Aray na sa
Kaya niyo yan, guys. Kita-kits na lang sa finals.
Ito na finals, uy.
Hindi, finals pa.
Oh, you.
This is just a
Oy,
final.
guys, it's EOP. Okay.
Grabe.
Well, I just wanna
Amazing!
Amazing.
Guys, thank you talaga.
EOP again. Don't you see that?
Thank you for everything that you've done to me. I love you all.
And you, the baby with the H. The baby with the H.
Gayan mo yung mukha mo.
What can you say? Any last words?
Thank you for calling Swan. Thank you for calling Swan. Charot. Ano ba yan, Timon?
You.
Go, Ate
Pearl.
Malay. Ikaw lang matitira
I was,
sa akin.
I was.
You were, okay.
I was tested.
Yes, How about you, Miel?
Thank you guys. Guys.
Thank you. Thank you guys, thank you.
Why you're saying thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Why?
Thank you.
Because nice meeting you guys.
Ewan ko sa'yo. You! What can you say?
Nice meeting you.
Bastos to.
Nice meeting you! Oh
Nice
my
meeting.
God.
Thank you for choosing me
I thought it's
Trainee.
thank you for choosing
as a
Swan.
trainee. Then good luck guys.
Ikaw wala kang message, Ate Malay.
Nice meeting you.
Wala sabi.